Preschool Assessment. Gabriel is an excited almost 4-year-old who is ready to begin going to school. However, first there needs to be testing done to ensure that he is ready for preschool. The assessments will be done by a school psychologist who specializes in performing specific tests for all young children ages 3 to 6. The school psychologist focuses on a series of 4 different intelligence tests for all preschool-aged children: the KABC2, the DAS2, the WPPSI4, and the early SB5. The test will be taken by your school psychologist, asking you questions, and will take a total of 2.5 hours. Mom and Dad will be in the room with you doing your tests, so there is no need to worry. The results of your tests will be given to Mom, Dad, and your teachers, and will be used to see what classes you are going to be in. After you are all done, Mom and Dad will take you out for ice cream to celebrate how great you did. The end.